Hey everyone, welcome back to CubeWP. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to create a personalized user dashboard using CubeWP Frontend Pro. This feature allows you to offer custom dashboards for your users tailored to their specific roles and needs. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by navigating to the CubeWP dashboard. Go to CubeWP in your WordPress dashboard. Then, head over to the User Dashboard section. Now, we'll learn how to add a new tab to the user dashboard to enhance its functionality. Click on Add New Tab to begin. Here, you'll need to configure the tab details. Let's break this down. Tab Title. This is where you'll specify the purpose of the content in this tab. Tab Icon. Choose an icon to visually represent the tab and help users identify its function quickly. User Role. Define the user role for this tab, whether it's for the administrator or for all registered users. Content. Type. For this tab, select Custom tab to create and add your own personalized content. If you've installed any CubeWP add-ons, you'll have access to additional content types that you can include in your user dashboard. Some examples include leads, available through the CubeWP Forms add-on. Bookings, from the CubeWP Booking add-on. Reviews, if you're using the CubeWP Reviews add-on. Campaigns, from the CubeWP Booster add-on. Booster Form, also part of the CubeWP Booster add-on. Orders, if you're using WooCommerce, you can display user orders. Inbox, from the CubeWP Inbox add-on. CubeWP Wallet, available through the CubeWP Wallet add-on. Feel free to choose the content types that fit your dashboard's needs and add them to your tabs. Once your tabs and content are set, you'll need to generate and use the shortcode to display the user dashboard. First, click Generate Shortcode to create the shortcode for your user dashboard. Then, copy the generated shortcode. Next, let's create a new page on your WordPress site to display the user dashboard. Go to your WordPress dashboard and create a new page. For the page template, select Full-Width Page Template to ensure the dashboard has enough space to display correctly. In the page editor, simply paste the shortcode you copied earlier into the content area. Finally, you'll need to configure the dashboard page URL in CubeWP Settings. Go to CubeWP Settings and find the section where you can specify the dashboard page URL. Set the URL to the page you just created to ensure that users can access their dashboard from the designated link. And that's it. You've successfully created a personalized user dashboard using CubeWP Frontend Pro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.